In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about compounding interest. So if we have a problem like this that says Natasha has $100 in a savings account that earns 5% compounded annually, how much interest will she earn in 2 years? So this is one of those lifelong things that you should learn because it will help you throughout your life. You'll always have to use this if you have a bank account. So the first step is to use the compound interest formula. And the compound interest formula is this: B equals P bracket 1 plus R close bracket to the power of T. So what are all these terms? B is the balance, which is the final amount after all the compounding is calculated. P is the principal. The principal just means the starting amount. R is the interest rate. So we have a rate, but we need to express it as a decimal. And T is the time in years. The interest earned is the balance minus the principal. So after we calculate this, we subtract this from our initial balance to get how much interest was earned on the account. So let's try to figure out what each of these numbers are if we can. So the principal starting amount is $100. That's what it tells us in the problem. R is the interest rate of 5%, and we need to express this as a decimal, so we convert that to 0.05. And we know time is 2 years because that's what they want us to figure out after 2 years. So now we can calculate the balance, B, and we could plug in all the numbers we know into this equation. So we put in 100 for P, 1 plus 0.05 for R, and 2 for T. And when we calculate that out, we get 110.25. So that would be the balance in the account after 2 years. But we need to figure out how much interest was earned. So this is the new balance in her bank account after 2 years. So now to figure out the interest, use B to find the interest. So balance minus principal to find how much interest was earned. So we take our 110.25 and subtract our principal amount, our initial amount of 100, and we're left with $10.25. So after 2 years, Natasha will earn $10.25 in interest. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You can just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.